In this video, I want to show you how to set up Wi-Fi direct on your HP DeskJet 2855E printer. So first we need to go on the control panel and you need to take a look at the display. If you do not see the Wi-Fi direct icon, right over here, it's a smartphone with a printer together. Well, first we need to turn this feature on. And how do you do this? Well, you have the Wi-Fi button over here, tap it once, wait a few seconds. Here we go. You see, it simply appeared. So now we know that the Wi-Fi Direct is activated, but we don't know the password of the printer. To know this information, make sure you have some paper inserted in the back of the printer and then press once on the I button. An information page will be printed with the password. So just be patient. Okay, so let's take a look at this page. You're going to notice there is the Wi-Fi Direct icon appearing. And then if you take a look over here, it says the Wi-Fi Direct name, and this will be the name of your printer, and under it, you're going to get the password. This password is not the same as on your printer. Every printer has a different password. So you have to do the exact steps I just showed you to find yours. Now, once you get this information, you can use them on your phone, but also on your computer. So if you have an Android, and this is a Samsung phone, but you get the idea. It works with iPhone, PC, Mac computer. You simply have to go into the Wi-Fi settings of your specific device. And then you're going to notice that your printer will be in the list, okay? The same name as on the paper. Tap on it, and now simply type the password that you got on your printed page. Okay, I will connect now. It's currently connecting to the printer Wi-Fi. And at this point, simply click on Always Connect or Connect Only this time, doesn't matter. Open any files you wish to print. Again, this is on Android. On iPhone, it will be slightly different, on PC, Mac also, but let's say I want to print this picture. On Android, tap on the top right corner, the three dots, select print. On iPhone, you're going to have an icon down below that is a square with an arrow pointing inside. Tap on it, and then you're going to get the print option appearing. So over here, I'll tap on the top and select my DeskJet 2800 series. Now there is two, I don't know if you noticed, there is this one and also that one. I cannot tell you which one will work. Okay, try one, and if you see that it's not working, simply choose the other one. I don't know why there's two, but one of them will work. So I'll go ahead and select that one. And over here, if I tap the arrow, I can have a few different details of my print, the number of pages, black and white or color, whatever. All right, and oh, well, it's very easy. As you see there, I don't have the print icon. It means I had to select the second one, HP DeskJet 28. So one of them will have the print icon. Again, check that all the information is okay and press the print button. Usually in under 12 seconds, the print should come out. Okay, so we got our result right over here. It took some time to print. This printer doesn't print quickly. It took like a minute or even more. But yeah, this is how you connect your printer using Wi-Fi Direct to your computer or your phone to be able to print directly without using any HP apps. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if this was helpful. Comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you have 5 more seconds. See you in the next one.